Ronson Gears manufactures gears for the mining, rail, defence, aerospace and many other industries around Australia and the globe.
We're always looking for skilled labour, machinists, engineers. We've also got logistics roles and office functions as well.
There's also the opportunity to work on exciting projects. We'll be doing gears from subsea to space.
Always look for promoting within to give people an opportunity that they can actually grow in the business. We provide lots of training, not only here, but off-site and overseas sometimes. We've always got apprentices, so we're always looking for a new apprentice.
We're a rare breed as gear manufacturers and gear cutters, so you'd be enjoying working in a very, very niche industry.
The gear is very, very exciting, and I'm very technically minded and I enjoy the challenges that it offers.
I love the versatility of Ronson Gears. Being a gear manufacturing company, we get to work with a lot of different types of gears. I have a passion for motorsports and cars, so we do a bit of automotive work.
There's opportunity to work as a team and be part of a family. We're a family-run business and hold that close to our hearts.
They get treated with respect. We have multiple different start times to suit people's family needs, and they make a quality product. At the end of the day, you're proud of it. There's not many places in Australia or around the world that can make the products that we make.
Ronson Gears, comparing internationally, we're on the top of our business.
From my apprenticeship centre, they spoke high praises about Ronson in particular, and fair to say that they haven't lied.
We'd love you to reach out to us through our website at ronsongears.com.au. You'll find all the contact information you need on there to get in touch with us, so we hope to hear from you soon.